how to reset a PS4 controller. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can reset a PS4 controller, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you have a PlayStation controller that is not actually working properly, right? Let's say this one is not working, it will not blink up the light over here. If the PlayStation controller is not working, the light is not going to blink up. First of all, just make sure that you have enough charge in it. And let's say that your controller is not working, you would like to reset it and make it work on your PlayStation console again. You might have tried long pressing the PS button and so on, but don't worry, I will give you a very simple fix. For this, all you have to do is just make sure that you have a type B USB cable. As you can see over here, I have a type B USB cable, right? This is actually a type B and this is a USB cable. The head of this, you need to make sure to connect it to your PlayStation console, which is at the front of your PlayStation console. There is a way to actually go ahead and connect this, and this one that you see here, you just need to connect it to your PlayStation controller. So let me show you over here on my PlayStation controller as well. As you would be able to find my controller over here, you'll be able to see a little port at this back. You just want to make sure to go ahead and then actually connect this port over here. Once you do this, the other end, as I said, you need to basically just connect it to your PlayStation console. After that, your PlayStation controller will get automatically connected and resetted, and then it will get ready for you. This way you'll be able to reset a PS4 controller. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.